Simprolit system offers products with a wide variety of benefits. These benefits include load-bearing, self-supporting, fire-resistant, sound-bearing, frost-resistant, moisture resistance, and many more ecological benefits.
Every system where a man lives, where his children and grandchildren grow up, is very precious. This ecological principle of construction is reflected in the application of the Simprolit system. The Simprolit system is a layer between the framework that is permanently trapped. For example, the block which is not filled with mortar but filled with concrete. In this way, the concrete that is put inside is like the backbone of a man, and the simple material that is around it has a hole to let the steam through to protect it from the fire. The standard block is fire resistant for 3 hours. It is vapor permeable, which makes it ideal for the passage of all pesticides and bacteria from outside the premises. And on the other hand, it is an excellent thermal insulator. In every developed concept, there must be harmony with nature and its resources. This is what makes the Simprolit system so special. It is currently one of the most complete systems in which the characteristics of permeability, longevity, ecological sustainability, seismic stability, and fire resistancy are the most focused on. So we wondered if there are any other systems besides Simprolit that take care of the human health in a similar way. And in terms of ecological benefits, there may be. However, these systems are lacking about 30% of Simprolit's design, which is one of the major benefits to using the Simprolit system. Unlike mineral wool, which melts at the temperature of the fire, Simprolit plates and blocks independently protect against fire as partition walls between two fire sectors. Simprolit fireproof barriers are fire-resistant strips made of Simprolit monolith or Simprolit single-layer plates coated with cement plaster or glue. They are around 5 millimeters thick and they are usually installed around facade openings or at places where the facade thermal insulation approaches the fire non-resistant roof structure. Every Canadian deserves a safe and affordable place to call home. There is an indescribable housing crisis among First Nation communities in Alberta. These communities do not have access to sustainable housing options, which puts at risk their health, well-being, and overall quality of life. The goal of this research, funded by the Government of Canada and Canada Summer Jobs, is to bring alternative housing materials to at-risk First Nation communities in order to enable them to have a sustainable, long-lasting, healthy lifestyle. In January of 2019, an isolated reserve of Saugeen First Nations declared a state of emergency over dangerously poor housing conditions. Although the Lac St. Anne Métis Community Association is aiming to build a generation of new housing, it is important that these houses are made of materials which can withstand harsh climates and their extreme effects on the conditions of these homes, while bringing with it ecological benefits to enhance and sustain the health of the community's members.